Welcome back to the Seagulls Mazda 323 channel, and we're going to continue with another mod for 2024. We're 2 mods in. Putting mods in my kill feeds, sipping on seaweed. Big Seagull style-y. You know how it goes. But anyway, so we're going to do the front bushes tonight and a special unboxing of a Mighty Car Mods big Cheryl's box. I can't wait to see what I get. So I'm going with the white line washers and bushes for the sway bar link pins, and the only thing I could get for the actual mounts were the SUPERPROs. So we're gonna do all of that, but obviously you're gonna need to jack up the car and remove the front wheels. Right, so jack the car up, take the front wheel off, and then take all the underguards off as well, and you'll expose where you need to be going. So on this model, because it's an 89 to 94, it has its sway bar or stability bar going this way. It's replace these, which is your sway bar link pin, which goes into the control arm, and then following it up, you'll see in here it's very much the same as the back. There's the bracket sitting there, that's the bolt we need to get onto. Yep, there's the bush, and on the other side of the bracket there's a little lip that slips into a groove. So you can't get it wrong when you're taking it off and then putting it back on. It's just really this part here. You need to take note in the order and also the length and how much to torque down on the bolt. So follow all of that. I don't think I'm going to paint this one because it's just not as visible. Maybe I'll paint just the tip. Right, well, I got the link pin bushes off and the sway bar mount bushes out, and as you can see, they are a little bit, I'll turn that off, a little bit worn out. So it's time for a change. Left side, right side. Alright, so that's what where the end of the sway bar meets, so that's your link pin off, all cleaned up. And then in here is where the sway bar mount needs to go. As you can see, that's the original spot, so we'll try and focus that a bit better. Slide on the new ones, grease it all up, put the retaining cap on and tighten it up. Now I know you've all been hanging around until now for the Mighty Car Mods Cheryl's big box unveiling, so I'll just crack on, shall I? Alright, it's what the kids have been waiting for. Let's open the box. Oh, what have we got here? Amazing, a handwritten coconut slice recipe, and too bad it's not gluten free and it has no hash. Not good to me. Oh, look what we got here. Some shop merchandise. Oh, looks very good. Amazing. How? Oh, look, so they do give you these genuine personalised gifts in these big Shezza boxes, because I am actually the president of the southern chapter of the Danger Cat, so thanks for doing your homework there, guys. What is this, some sort of magic box? Because I got some sort of tire iron as well. Oh, when it's finished, it'll look like this. Real easy job too, by the way. There you go. Boom.